In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the print area in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control what gets printed, preview it clearly, and fine-tune the boundaries so your pages come out exactly the way you expect. Start by opening Excel and heading to the worksheet that contains the data you want to print. Take a moment to look over your sheet and identify the exact block of cells you want on paper. This might be a table, a report, a chart with labels, or any specific range that makes sense for your audience. Click and drag to select that range. Be deliberate here. Include headers, totals, and any columns or rows that provide context so the printout stands on its own. With the selection active, go to the Page Layout tab at the top of Excel. This is where all the print-related formatting options live. Find the Print Area dropdown and choose Set Print Area. This tells Excel to only print the cells you selected, ignoring everything else on the sheet. It's a great way to avoid extra blank columns or unrelated notes from sneaking into your printout. Keep in mind, the print area is set per worksheet, so each sheet can have its own defined area. Next, switch to the View tab and choose Page Break View. This view gives you a clear, page-by-page perspective of how your print area will be divided across pages. You'll see blue lines marking the page boundaries. This is especially helpful if your selection spans more than one page or if you're trying to fit your content neatly within specific page limits. Now, adjust the print area visually by dragging those blue lines. If you need to include more columns or rows, pull the boundary out to cover them. If you want to tighten things up and exclude something, drag the line in. As you move the blue borders, Excel updates the print area and shows you how the pages will break. This doesn't change your actual data, it only changes what will be printed and where page breaks occur. Take a final look in Page Break View to confirm that everything important is included and that the page splits make sense for your document. The goal is a clean, readable printout without clipped columns or orphaned headings. Once you're happy with it, you're all set. You've successfully defined and refined your print area so your Excel sheet prints exactly the way you intend.